So this is Swiftkey 4. It's the latest version of the intelligent keyboard. It's available on Android handsets and on Android tablets. So it will, once you've installed the app, it will fire up as a default keyboard when you're entering into text messages or email applications. So the basic premises of Swiftkey is that it's a language technology rather than just a dumb keyboard. So that means that instead of having a static dictionary in which it checks spelling against, it knows about words and their different contexts. So it understands the relationships between words, and then it can offer more intelligent auto predictions. So just an example of that is, you'll notice across the top there's a ribbon of 3 words, and these are statistically the most likely words I'm going to start a sentence with, so hi being an obvious one. And instead of having to type the characters out, you can just select these words and it's entered in whole. So hi would be a fairly standard way to start any sentence, but I use mate a lot, so it's learnt that from me, and it develops and tailors itself over time. So hi mate, and then if you want to ever deviate away from what it's suggesting, then you can just start tapping away and it will guess what you're trying to write. So hi mate, let's say I'm giving a demo. So I've only entered 3 words, 3 letters of that word, and it's already popped up giving a demo. So that's the basic premise. Is it reduces keystrokes and makes typing on a smartphone or tablet much faster and more accurate.
Is this a free app?
There is a 30-day trial of the keyboard that's available for free, but then if you want to use it on a more permanent basis, it's downloadable for it's $2.99 normal price, but it's actually on half price at the moment to celebrate the launch of Swiftkey 4.
And what about other platforms? Any plans?
Other platforms, iOS doesn't let you swap out the default keyboard for a third party, so Android is the only platform that supports that availability, but it does work on those platforms. Swiftkey has an SDK that we work with OEMs and other handset manufacturers to improve their default solution, and that's completely platform agnostic. It can work on